1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup truck, restored, 235 engine, 3 on the column. Really sweet pickup. Nice wood bed. It's got the spare tire mounted there. Really well done interior. Very minimalistic. Bench seat. Nice rubber floor. Very original pickup. Put the key in, clutch in. This is we're going to turn the key, and then it's a push to start. This 235's recently been totally tuned up, fresh oil change, all new ignition parts, brand new carburetor. It's got a lot of new parts under the hood, which we'll get into here in a little bit. This choke is not on. It had been previously installed backwards, so when it's pulled out like this, no choke. When you push it in, you have choke. Keep that in mind. We do have no horn. This is your wiper switch. They're vacuum wipers. You can see they try a little bit, but they do not operate. If you buy this truck, you should probably convert it to electric wipers instead of the vacuum. There's your blower motor, nice and strong. Has a brand new heater core in there. Pull the brake. This is an old pickup. These doors, you got to give them a nice firm close. All right, check out under the hood here, folks. Engine's running really nice and smooth. Brand new radiator. Brand new generator. This is a 12-volt pickup. Brand new carburetor. Fresh oil change. Has a brand new master cylinder as well. It's had a lot of work done to it. It's running and driving really nice. You just check out how clean this engine bay is. Very stock looking. Everything presents really well. Super clean along the frame. Got the VIN number stamped into it down there. Paint and body, this was an older restoration. It's had a new refresh with all the new parts we put on. Black paint overall shows very good, but it does in certain spots have a little orange peel to it here and there. You know, it's a very nice, high quality driver, unique Apache pickup. You don't find them in this kind of shape very often. It's more stock form. A lot of times these are always hot rodded with a V8 and lowered and you name it. So it's cool to see one in original looking condition. These tires are radial tires. They're older tires. They're probably about 10 to 15 years old. You may want to replace those if you're going to do some serious driving. Love this interior, super simple. You know, under the dash and everything looks really good. Firm close. Step side, short bed as well. This truck looks amazing underneath. We'll have pictures on our website, but look how clean it is under here. I mean, it just shows awesome. Really super clean. I love the bed. It's in excellent condition. See if I can find, like, this part of the cab has some orange peel going on right here. You'll see that in different spots on it. This is probably one of the worst areas. And you can see, like, the door looks really nice. Little orange peel right there. And the camera does a really nice job of showing it. You can see where it gets blurry as I go down and where it gets clear again. That's like a mirror finish on the bottom part of the door. All the chrome and trim and brightwork's in very good shape. You can see it's got a little patina on it, but, you know, probably original and shows nice. A couple spots in the paint right there. So what you have here is a very nice, high quality driver with a lot of new parts on it. Smooth running 235 inline 6 Stovebolt. GM ran that engine for forever. This is getting towards the end of the run. Super clean undercarriage. If you're interested in this Apache, please scroll down. We'll have a link on the website to the website, carsrememberwhen.com. There we'll have the asking price, high resolution photo gallery. And if you'd like to learn more, ask a question, please don't hesitate. Give us a call, carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.